Hey there guys, I'm back again, and today we are going to unbox the brand new Styletone box. I already opened it because my address is named over here on the back of this lid. Nobody needs to see that. We got a little sun situation going on here. I can't help that. I've tried, but the sun is like peeking through, which is fine. It's November, it's cold, so I'm glad the sun is out. So hopefully it won't be too bad in this video. Okay, before we get started with the box, I just want to remind you guys to check out my giveaway. We are about, I think, 14 or 15 subscribers away from me giving away that box filled with makeup, and a new giveaway will start, and I really want to give that away before the holidays, like at least start the giveaway before the holidays. That will be amazing. We only need, like I said, 14 or 15 subscribers, so if you know anybody, and you yourself, if you're new, subscribe. Make sure to check out that video. You'll find it. It's really easy. It's one of my previous videos. It will say giveaway, and it will always say open or closed, and of course this one is still open, so make sure to check out my giveaway video. Okay, now let's start off with this beautiful new Styletone box. Okay, so let's start off with the first thing I see in here. Hold on, I see something in the same color. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I think this goes together. Hold on, if I'm not mistaken, it goes somewhat like, hold on, I think it should, yeah, see? This little thing goes in here. It should go like this. It smells really awesome. It's, let's see, foamy shampoo bar. Okay, for intensely hydrating with aloe vera. Oh, that is amazing. And it smells so freaking good. So this is what that sucker looks like. Let me just check in the booklet. Yes, it's a full size. Oh, yeah, of course it's a full size. It's Styletone, so it should always be a full size. This is what it looks like. Oh, this is amazing. It is amazing that it has this cord, so then at least it won't fall off. You know, you can grab it. It's so easy in the hand and just massage it onto your head. That is amazing. Let me just smell it. Oh, it smells so freaking good. So fresh. Amazing. Can't wait to try this little sucker out. Okay, so the foamy shampoo bar, clearly a full size because Styletone is pretty much always a full size. Let me just put it back in here. So the foamy bar shampoo costs €4.95, and we could actually get two. So let me just show you guys. See, we could get two. I got the blue one, and the pink one is Intensely Repairs, the foamy shampoo, and I got Intensely Hydrates. But I really enjoy the smell of it. Okay, so I put the items outside of this little bubble wrap thing. It's just easier for me to grab. So let's see. From Estate, Do Me Baked Highlight Powder. Oh, wow, that is pretty cool. Okay, this is what it looks like, and then let's open this sucker up. Come on. Of course, I always have to butcher these damn boxes. I don't know what it is with me and boxes, but we just don't get along. Ooh, okay, this is what it looks like. It is, hi there. It is so freaking pretty. Oh yeah, I didn't mention why we're filming this way. If you've seen my previous videos, then you pretty much already know. Hold on, where's the sun? Where's the sun? There we go. Oh, you can't see it. There we go. Wow. That is gorge. Okay, hold on. Since we have the sun, this is what it looks like. Let me put a little bit more. No! Oh, the sun just went away. I just wanted to show, like, look at the sun. But you can a little bit see it. See that? Come on, come back, sun. There we go. See? Oh, that is gorge. I love it. Oh, my God. I absolutely love it. Okay, so we got a highlighter. Let me just check out the booklet. Okay, it's not on this page. Oh, it's over here. It's on the back. The Estate Cosmetics highlighter costs €10. Oh yeah, and I was starting a story and then I didn't finish up. The reason why we're filming like this is because I had my eyelids done and I look like the Bride of Frankenstein. So yeah, my face is not camera ready just yet. So we're gonna film like this. Okay, moving on to a fan brush, and it is a very pretty fan brush, I will say that. but I already have 1,000,001 fan brushes. I don't even know why I opened it. Ah, screw it. Okay, let's just get it out. I don't really use these brushes. There we go. This is what it looks like, but this one is, however, very, very pretty. I mean, look at that. It is gorgeous. Might just be using this one. Let's just see what it feels like. Oh, it feels very, very soft. I do enjoy them, but I actually use, come on, why can't I open this? I use a Real Techniques brush, not necessarily a fan brush for my highlighter, just a regular brush. And I like it. Okay, so the brush is from IB Beauty, and the fan brush is worth 10 euros. Okay, so for the last two items, I took the liberty of taking off the plastic because it is so freaking annoying to have plastic all over. You know, it's going to take a long while, so we're not going to do that. So the first item of the last of the two, wow, what a sentence. Anyway, is from Duce, and it is a lip definer pencil in the color Estella. Now let's give that a swatch. Oh, it's actually brown, but that's okay. When it comes to lip pencils, I don't mind brown. When it comes to lipsticks, however, that's a different story. But when it comes to lip pencils, I actually don't mind it being brown because I have, of course, a lot of lipsticks that are brown, and it's nice to have a matching liner to go with that. Okay, so the Duce liner costs 20 euros. It's actually even more than a MAC liner. I don't know about that. I like MAC liners. I would sooner pay 20 bucks for MAC than I would for Duce, but still a good solid liner, don't get me wrong. Okay guys, we're down to the last item, which is, I think, mascara or something from Cella. Beautiful Blonde Eyebrow Cream. Oh, okay. Okay. So this is what that little sucker looks like. Hold on. So underneath here is probably the cream. Do I twist it? Yeah, I twist it. Ah, yeah. See? Here we go. And I'm glad I got a lighter shade than a darker one. There we go. Because lighter shades usually will work on any hair type, except, of course, if you're black, then of course it won't work, but usually blonde is kind of the color that works for everybody. So I'm really, really happy that I received the blonde. So let's see, the Cella, what's it called? Eyebrow Cream costs 26 euros, actually quite a lot, and you can get 3 different colors. I'll show you guys, see, you can get 3 different colors. I got blonde, so I got the lightest one, which I am very happy with. Okay guys, that is it for this month's box. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. These two go together, clearly a highlighter and a fan brush. Shampoo bar, eyebrow pencil, and a lip pencil. I have to say it looks very small because the items are quite small, but I enjoy this box, I really do. You guys, let me know in the comment section down below, what do you guys think about this month's box? I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to check out my giveaway, and I will see you guys in the next unboxing. Bye!